Kinsay gusto si Ma'am Zoe na lang imong maestra.
Oh, I just wanna be.
Sige, mamuntag sa inyo tanan. Karon niabot kami sa Dinagat Islands, first time namon dire. So karon naghulat kami sa pump boat. Kay mo island hopping kami sa mga Blue Lagoon, sa mga nindot dire. Og sulti sa uban na dire sa Dinagat Islands, delikado daw sulti nila. Pero ang experience namo karon, grabe kabutan ng mga tao. As in, usi sa pinakabutan na tao dire sa Pilipinas, di ba?
Or di ba? Yes.
Did you understand what I said? Here in Dinagat, there's some nice people. Even though people told us that it's a cult. And
they're like the nicest people I've ever met.
sige, so karon maghula lang kami sa pump boat. And then mag-island hopping ta. Let's go!
Tara!
Sige, nakaabot na sila. Bye! Asa ta mauna? Sa jump... Sige na?
Jelmars.
Jelmars? Dito ta mauna? Sige, muna kami sa Jelmars. Boom. Panis. Sige, so nakaabot na kami sa El Nido. Psych! Asa man ta?
Jelmars.
Yeah, buddy. Na kami dito sa Jelmars. So una, murag na ay resort pero gisarado.
Are you kidding?
Alright, she's gonna try a backflip. First backflip.
No, it's so high.
Come on, this is a sick backdrop.
Yeah, I know that, but I don't know how to backflip. I'm going to whack my chin on that.
Jump back. Don't jump up.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't because I don't know how. Okay, backwards.
Yep. Just jump out.
But I don't know how to rotate my body to do the flippy.
Keep your neck back. If you look forward, you're not gonna flip. So just keep looking back. One thing a day that scares you.
No, I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
I'm so scared.
The longer you wait, the harder.
Can't you do it first?
And his name is John C.
Oh! Oh!
Okay, kind of hurt. Like a lot.
That's a straight up belly flop. Heck yeah! That was sick. Oh my gosh.
But at least I didn't hit the wood.
Dude, I'm so stoked. Joey, sakit mong likod? Sakit?
No, my back does not hurt.
No?
My front does.
Oh yeah, you belly flop. Sige, so humana kami diri. Nindot siya tanawon kung nigawas ang init. Pero wala siya nigawas. Pero nindot gyapon ang view. Karon mo kami sa pikas na usa ka balay na pink. So mag-photo shoot siya kay pink yung bikini. And then mo kami sa Blue Lagoon.
Ayo, unsa man?
Unsa man?
Alright.
Adjo. Wait tao, sige ra kan.
How do I climb it?
Sige.
Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love, calling out to heaven above for you.
What are you doing?
Look at my commitment right now.
Do it for the gram. Mayang buntag. Oh,
Bisaya.
in Bisaya, okay. Kaloy, that's Bisaya. Just proved his commitment to my Instagram by standing in really sketchy locations so that I could get the money shot. But then I stood at equally sketchy locations for my Instagram. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm kidding. Don't put that in.
I am putting that in. I am.
Okay, but look at this house. It's so cute. Okay. So karon, moadto kami sa Blue Lagoon. Dinagat Islands. That's where we're at. Ta-da!
She's doing this for you guys. Hi! Mga hapon! Hi! Buntag pa di ay! Kumusta? Ako si Kaloy. Kapira day?
Gawa mo ka mag-Bisaya.
Oo. Unsay ni tawag ang isla ninyo?
Pangabangan.
Pangabangan? Pangabangan?
Sir, na-entrance din.
May entrance? Sige, pila.
10 pesos ra.
10? Sige. Sige, so mo na siyang Pangabangan Beach. So, baklay lang, gikan diri, padulong sa Blue Lagoon. Doon lang kayo. Tag-gis ang bayad, ang entrance fee.
I don't wanna be alone. Spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me.
Go, go, go! Padayon!
Oh, you want budot? Oh, I don't have budot.
Walay budots. Oh. Sige, naligo na kami. Fresh na. Gusto ni Zoe magtudlo sa mga bata diri. Magtudlo siya gusto na magtudlo og English bisan slang kaayo.
It's not slang.
So sala iyang tudlo. Water daw, dili water.
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 That's not.
Don't corrupt the kids.
Ngayong hapon.
Ngayong hapon sad. English ka ron, dili.
Mother tongue lang.
Mother tongue no, Bisaya. So magtulog ka Bisaya sa iyo.
They can teach me Bisaya.
Asa ang English class?
Adult mo sa
Okay.
SL.
Gusto na magtudlo og English ka ron?
Gusto ka mag-English. Magnangara magod ni Juan, they will amiss to say when they heard English but they don't understand.
Slang no? Slang kaayo. Bisan ako, di ko kasabot sa iya.
Adto mo na sa ibutan sa FL. Si Hi Bless ni Sir Kaloy o ni Ma'am Zoe.
It's lazy.
The lazy boy. Alright, grade 6. Legal.
How many of them understand my water?
Water.
Boy, they don't have
Hi.
Sir Kaloy o si Ma'am Zoe. Oo, makasabot sila Bisaya. Makasabot sila Bisaya. Dami sila sa inyong beauty.
Sige, sige, pagtarong na. Magtulo na siya.
Hey! Okay. So have is the verb. You need to choose the correct tense. So past tense, present tense, or future tense. So you got it. Okay. What goes in here? Is it I have the best summer ever? I had? Or I...
Right, the different options. And then
Yeah, oh, okay, all the options. Have, had,
has.
Okay. Which one?
Bingo.
Okay, next one. I invite my best friend to Palawan. Good.
Bingo.
Yes, class.
Bingo. Hey. Kinsay gusto si Ma'am Zoe na lang imong maestra. Ayo. Sige. Bingo! Alright, you're the official teacher. Bingo! Bingo!
Can I get a class photo with all of my children?
A picture daw. Zoe! 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 Say cheese! Cheese! Ayos!
Monday, okay. I'll try my best, okay? I might be in Siargao, but if I'm still here. Hi! So good at English.
So good.
Oh, I'm stuck down the swimming.
Katawa ko ni Zoe kay dili siya anad sa sige gakos. Unya dakan bata naggakos sa iya.
Love being hugged.
Ay, asa na ba dong?
To farm.
Magunsa ta?
Bigo.
Ligo! Let's go! Sige, karon kauban na mo mga local. Iba rin. Diri sa farm, ambot unsa ni siya? Cold Spring, tugnaman. So kuan kami, maligo kami uban sa ila. Nagtumbling ka? Gapon nagtumbling siya sa hagdanan. Taas kayo. Backflip pa. Sige.
Shout out ni Cherry Lou and Carl.
Big nose.
Don't worry, I hate when you do that. Nice nipples.
Am I nipping out?
You're nipping out a little.
Alright. Now the fun is gonna get this off.
Okay, well, hold on. I need to...
Sige, before kami mag-video, magkuyo kami sa mga bata diri, mag-baseball. Boom! Strike! Woo! Dagan, run! Oh, patay! Salat ni mo?
I don't know how to play.
Salat ni mo?
You don't play baseball in Australia? Yeah. What up? Why do you always have to show me up?
Mom, pa-autograph, be. Pa-autograph.
Mom!
Alright.
Huy!
Oh wait, this is not working. Oh, you came prepared? Oh, someone's hugging me?
Wow!
Mom, last mom.
Okay.
Last.
Mom, last mom.